Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an AI trading plus mining website. So viewers, if you also want to create your own AI trading and mining website, then you are on the right video. In this video we will completely make this website from scratch, and first of all I will give you the complete overview and demo of its user panel and admin panel, and then we will completely make this website on our hosting. So be with us and watch this video till the end. Viewers, before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy this script, or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us and we will build it for you. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us. Viewers, if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. First of all, you can look at its amazing homepage, how amazing this homepage is. You can change each and everything from admin panel. Here you can see there are two options. Number one is sign up and second is login. User can sign up if user don't have an account by filling these simple details. Now we currently have an account, so we'll just log in with our existing details. Here I will fill my username. Here I will fill my password. So after entering these details, when I click on login, it will redirect me to my user panel. So we have logged into the user panel successfully, viewers. So now let me demonstrate all these features. Here you can see there is a banner on the website. You can change this banner from admin panel. Website is completely controllable from admin, which means that you don't need any coding knowledge to control the website. So you can manage it from admin panel first of all. Here you can see there is an earning option, from where you can see that your complete income record, like earning through VIP plan, earning through mining, refer earning, everything will be shown over here. So this is the earning option. Here in robots you can see all the mining plans, so you can see all investment plans on the website, mining plans, so you can subscribe to any plan you want. Currently we have subscribed to robot 1, so we can stop it and subscribe to any other as well. So you can list these plans from admin panel, and income and their complete commission from admin. Similarly, here is a robot miner. On apps, user can download your apps. Here's a news section, tutorial. You can add your tutorial video. You can add your Telegram link. You can add about the website, and these are all crypto prices, so user can view them. Here is a chart section. So here user can see the graph of trading view graph, and user can do analysis over here, and user can see all the latest crypto prices here. Here is a mining section. So here you can see that my mining is already on, so user can daily turn on this mining for free, and you can give user some commission on daily basis for free. So it completely depends on you if you want to give user commission. Here is an AI trading option. So you can see I've already on the AI trading. You can see your robot balance, you can see current balance, total balance, and investments. Here you can see our trade is on sell, and you can see your daily commission over here. You can turn on trade from here. So currently I've already on it. Here you can see your level that you have subscribed. So these are all the levels. You can see the profits, and let me tell you, you can show user profit or loss on the daily basis. So you can user can subscribe to any level plan, and you can change profit or loss for that plan on daily basis. So you can show user profit on AI trading, or you can show user a loss on AI trading. So it completely depends on you. Here is a profile option, so user can see its level, or the AI trading level that he have subscribed to, which is level 4. Here user can see robot investment plan and total investment in it. User can see all its total deposits, total withdrawals. So this is a deposit section, so user can deposit money from here. So fill the detail, and you can use any of the gateway you want. So select the gateway and click on next step, and user can deposit money on the website. So let me just show you. You can use USDT or any other your country gateway. From you can change these details from admin panel. Currently I am using this, so it is asking me to follow deposit limit. So let me just deposit 500. So all the detail will be shown here. Click on next step, and here you can insert your QR code, TRX ID, and mobile number. So user have to fill these details, and user can deposit money on the website. So here is a transfer option, so user can transfer its balance from one account to another on the same website. Same here, here's a withdraw option. So to withdraw, user must have to verify KYC, so you can turn that on off, or user can set its withdrawal password and then user can withdraw. Here are account details. A user can see all its account details, address settings, password user can change from here, set up withdraw wallet and withdraw password. A user can see all its commission log, transaction log, deposit history, withdraw history. Here is a team option. So this is your referral link. So user can invite different people using this link, and team will be shown here. And you can also earn money through referrals. Here a user can download the app, and this is a logout option. So currently I am logging out from here. So now we will go to the admin panel and we will completely see how we can completely control this website from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. It is completely controllable from admin panel. So now let's go and let's see how we can control it.
So viewers, we are currently on the admin login page of this website. So here we have to enter our username and password in order to log into the admin. So here I have entered my username. Now I'll enter my password, and when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel of this website. So you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. It has a very amazing admin panel from where you can completely control the website. First of all, on user dashboard, you can see the total users on the website, active users, email unverified user. You can see total deposits on the website, withdrawals on the website, current balance and total deposits, withdrawals, everything you can see it from here. And here you can see the total plan purchased as well. Viewers, here you can see currently it is installed on my subdomain as well. So after this, we will completely install the script on our hosting. So be with us and watch this video till the end. Here let's go to front end setting, and here from front end setting you can manage your front end details like notice board. If you want to change, you can go to it and you can completely change the notice board. Here is the sliding banners, so you can change the sliding banners from here. You can remove them, you can edit them from here. And here are important sections. If you want to change the app link, or you can insert your mobile apps link, video link, tutorial link, telegram link, you can insert them from here. And from here you can change the background image. So here's a community option, so you can add your community like Facebook, Telegram, etc. You can add your links. You can manage fake reviews, you can manage news, about us section, and terms and conditions. Here is a referral commission option, so you can set multiple levels of commission, as many as levels you want, so on deposit, robot purchase, or AI trading. So you can see already levels are there, so you can create in a way you want. Here is a trading plans, here trading levels. So these are all the trade levels or AI trade plans. So you can manage them from here, you can edit them or you can remove them. So here you can set the level name, minimum, maximum amount, profit from here. So you can show user profit or loss on the basis of his plan. So here you can select profit in plus or profit in minus. So you can show user profit or loss on daily basis according to user plan. So this is how you can set profit or loss. So here's the reward plans. So from here you can edit the reward plans and you can edit them from here. So you can see the reward plan name. You can choose the image for that, insert the total price, trade stop charge, daily profit. Here you can set the validity of plan, referral commission for that. So you can select that and you can make the reward plans. And here you can add a new plan from here by filling these simple details. So it's very simple and easy to manage. Here's the manage users, so you can manage all the users on your website. So currently there is only one user account. Here you can go to details, you can add balance to user account. Here you can subtract balance from user account, you can ban the user, and you can manage all the details of that user. Here are the payment gateways. So currently there are manual gateways. Currently there are two gateways as I showed you, but here you can edit these gateways as well. Click on edit and you can edit these gateways from here, change these details or images, and you can insert your own gateway. Now if you want to remove them, you can disable them and click on add new, and from here you can add your own gateway. You just fill this simple detail, image, minimum maximum deposit, deposit instructions like crypto address. Here you can insert the field for the screenshot. So by filling these details you can insert that, and you can make easily a new gateway for deposit. So here you can see there's a deposit. From here you can approve pending deposit request of user, and you can see all approved and all deposit here. So you have to approve the request of user from here. So when the user will request a deposit, the request will come here and you have to approve that or reject that. Here is the same withdraw section. You can create a withdraw methods. Currently you can see all the existing withdraw methods. 2 withdraw methods are here. You can edit them as well. So if you want to edit them, you can edit them from here. Now if you want to insert the new gateway, click on add new, and you can easily add a new withdraw gateway. So by filling all these details, you can insert a new withdraw gateway. So you can manage a withdraw gateway same like deposit. Here are the general settings option. So from general settings, basically you can change the name of website, currency of website, and you can use this website in your own local currency, and you can see all different many options, default plan, holiday, interest. You can turn that on off on holiday from here. So now here from AI trade settings, from here you can change the coin, you can change the coin currency. Here you can set trade on buy or sell. So here you can set the trade time, you can set the trade start time and stop time. These are the API keys that you will already get it for free if you buy from us. Here's the coin settings. So you can set the coin, like you can change the coin name, and you can insert your own coin name, change the symbol. Here you can set the price for that coin and how much coin user daily will get. So it completely you can set them from here, and here you can upload a new coin image of your own. So this is all about the coin settings. Here are the system configurations. So you can turn the main settings of website on off from here, like user registration, email verifications, balance transfer. So you can set these details from here. Here's a logo and favicon. So you can insert your own logo, and you can change the existing website logo. And similarly you can manage the SEO, KYC settings and maintenance mode. Viewers, here I completely guided you about this website. Now we will go to our hosting, and we will completely install this script on our hosting, and I will completely show you how you can make this website. So to buy this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And now viewers, let's go and let's make this website. So viewers, to install this AI trading amazing website script, what you have to do is, first of all, you all must have to open your hosting cPanel or hPanel or any other hosting provider that you are using. So I'm using currently the Hostinger hPanel, so I'll install it on Hostinger, but you can install it on cPanel or whatever hosting that you're using. Now what we have to do here is, first of all, we have to go to file manager option. So we have to open this file manager option, and now it's a Hostinger, so it will redirect us to the public HTML folder. So now here we are on public HTML folder. So you have to go inside this public HTML folder, and you have to do all the work here. So as I'm using my subdomain, so we'll install it on my subdomain. So you can see that I've already uploaded this script. So you can see this script over here. Now if you haven't uploaded the scripts, you can directly upload the file from here, and after the file will be uploaded, it will be appeared same like this. Now we'll just click on this, and we'll extract the data inside this script. So you have to extract this file into your root directory. So you can see it is extracting, and you have to wait for it, and you can see our script has extracted successfully. Now after that we have to delete this, so I'm gonna delete it. So let's delete it. So it's showing some internet issues. So now let's delete the script from here. So let's delete it. Now you can see there are this folder named SQL, so we have to download the SQL file. Let's download it. So after downloading this SQL file, what we have to do is we have to create the database. So now let's go to our database section, and here I'll just quickly create the database with name AI Trade 1 or whatever name you can create database with name, any name you want. but I'm currently using this name. So you can use any of the name you want. After entering this, enter your password, click on create. So database has created successfully. So this is our database. So we'll just copy the name of this database. So its installation is very simple. We'll have to go to core and folder, go to .env file, and here we have to replace some details. Like here we have to enter our database name. We'll have to enter our username. After that, here we'll have to enter the password of our database. So we'll enter the password, and at last we have what we have to do is we have to enter the URL of our website. So this is our URL. So we'll replace these both URLs, and now let's replace this one as well. So okay, save this, and the last thing that is we have to upload the SQL file into our database that we just created. So here this is our database PHP my admin. Now what we have to do is we have to click on import, and we have to upload the file that we just downloaded, that I told you to download. And now after this, click on import. So database file has uploaded successfully and our work has completed. Now let's go to our domain and let's refresh this. Viewers, you can see that our website has uploaded or installed successfully. Now viewers, as I already guided you, you can completely manage this website from, so it is currently taking some time to install the script completely. So it will show you the graphs and all those things out. And now viewers, you can manage this website from admin panel, and here you can go to sign up and you can log in from here and create an account. So as I already showed you, so here you have to enter your username. Here we'll enter our email, and here we'll have to enter our password. Click on confirm password. You can, if you have invite code, you can enter the invite code, click on sign up, and password confirmation doesn't match. I think I have made some mistake in entering the password. We'll enter it again, that's not the issue. Now click on it, and we have successfully logged into the user dashboard of this website. So viewers, this is how you can create this website easily. If you want to buy this script from us, or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description, and we will do the complete work for you. We will set the graphs, we will do all the work for you, and you can do it yourself as well easily. So this was all about today's tutorial. About all these things I already guided you. This is a mining page, this is a AI trading page, this is a profile page. So this is how you can make this website. In this video I gave you the complete review and complete overview how you can make this website. And viewers, do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with other people who need this kind of websites. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.